Here in this problem given, Pankaj Mishra goes to a shop to buy a woolen hat costing 1270. The rate of GST is 18%. He tells the shopkeeper to reduce the price to such an extent that he has to pay 1270 inclusive of GST. We have to find the reduction needed in the price of the woolen hat. Let the price after reduction. Let the price after reduction be x. So x plus 18% of x, that's the GST, that is equal to altogether 1270. So x here 1 plus 0.18, that is equal to 1270.